Today we are going to discuss the exercises of collective and possessive nouns. I had told you what are collective and possessive nouns. We all know that collective nouns are the words that are used to express or tell about a group of people, things, animals or birds of one kind. When we are talking about one kind of them, that time it is called a collective noun. If I want to talk about many wolves together, then I can use the word pack of wolves. Then we have constellation of stars, we have galaxy of stars. At the same time, we can use bouquet of flowers. Then we have quiver of arrows. So all these words, quiver, constellation, all these are collective nouns. And collective nouns are usually expressed in singular. They are referred to in singular. They are generally referred to in singular form. And possessive nouns are words that tell about the possession of something. They are talking about the possession of a noun. And what is the meaning of possession? To belong, belongingness, or to have it, right? Possessive nouns can be singular or plural. And the very special punctuation mark, that is an apostrophe, is used to express a possessive noun, and possessive nouns are expressed with an apostrophe. In case of a singular possessive noun, it is expressed, the first we write the noun, then the apostrophe followed by s. And in plural possessive noun, we write the plural form of the word followed by the apostrophe. Let us come to the exercises. Fill in the correct form of the word. Dash trunks are long. Here we are talking about the trunks of the elephants. So how we are going to write? We are going to write it elephants trunks. That is the trunks of the elephants. The children followed the dash instructions. Here singular is teacher, and it is given teachers, the plural. So we are going to write the plural form of the word teachers, and to make it a possessive noun, we are going to use an apostrophe after s. Please give dash address. Here Priya is a singular noun. So what we are going to write to show the possessive noun for Priya's address, it will become Priya's address. As told to you, we will write the noun followed by the apostrophe and then the s to show possessiveness, to show possessive. Next is my dash bicycle is parked there. Here we have to fill in the possessive noun with the verb noun brother. Brother is a singular noun. We all know that the word brother is a singular noun, and to write it to show the possessiveness, we are going to write brother followed by apostrophe s to express the possessiveness. The dash book is kept on the table. Here Tom, a proper noun, we have to express it in possessive noun. What are we going to do? We are going to write Tom, and since Tom is a singular noun, apostrophe followed by s. Tom's book is kept on the table. Next, Saint Xavier is a dash school. We are talking about boys. Boys is plural form. So what are we going to do? We are going to write boys followed by the apostrophe to show school belonging to boys. School belonging to boys. Next, they walk in the dash park every day. They walk in the dash park every day. Ladies. Lady is the plural form of the word lady. Ladies is the plural form of the word lady. And ladies, to express as possessive noun, how we will write? Ladies, the plural form followed by the apostrophe. Park for ladies is ladies park, right? Coming to collective noun, I told you we use words to express collective nouns when we are talking about a group of things, animals or birds or people of one kind. First is a dash of keys. We use the word bunch, collective noun bunch, to tell about number of keys together. A bunch of keys. You must have seen your mama has a bunch of keys for the house, for the car and the garage. Then we have a dash of dolphins. It is a school of dolphins. The next, a dash of stars. We can use a galaxy of stars, and also we can use a constellation of stars. Both are collective nouns for stars. Next, a dash of wolf, a pack of wolves. And this pack collective noun is very known to you, because for the cards also, that Uno cards that you play, we use the collective noun there also for the cards. So a pack of wolves, a pack of cards also. The next is a dash of flowers. It is a bouquet of flowers. Whenever we go to a birthday party, we go for anniversaries and different celebrations, that time we gift a bouquet of flowers to someone. Same way, we can also use the collective noun bunch for flowers. So we can use both a bunch of flowers or a bouquet of flowers. This way you are going to memorize your collective nouns for different nouns and also practice possessive.